Want to know how to link or sign into Dola AI by using Apple ID? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily link your Dola account with your Apple ID account in just under a minute. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application or the website. So you can just simply head towards dola.com and you should be under this interface right here. And now on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just simple like that, it should be your avatar. Now here you should be seeing settings on top right above favorites. Just simple like that again. Now once you're on the settings, you can just simply scroll down and here you should be seeing account right here. Just simply select account, that should be right above logout. And here you should be seeing Apple ID. So you can just simply select link right here and an external link or an external browser should open up. Now you can just simply sign into Apple account and then just select continue to your email and then add your password, verify, and you should be automatically linked. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.